Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Domestic equity market is likely to open on a positive note, supported by several favorable developments. Retail inflation has cooled to a 6-year low of 3.3%, and the IMD has forecasted an above normal monsoon at 105% of the long period average. Additionally, FIIs have turned net buyers for the first time this month. Wholesale inflation has also eased to a 7-month low at 2%, further boosting market sentiment. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 16th April 2025, Nifty index opened gap up by 540 points, and after the pullback from 23,200, it remained range-bound at the higher zones for the rest of the day. Bulls were determined to keep it afloat after the gap up and closed above 23,300 marks with gains of around 500 points. It formed a small-bodied candle with longer lower wick, indicating smart buying at any small declines, and it has been making higher lows from the last 4 trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 20% to 16.1 levels. Nifty put-call ratio slightly decreased to 0.93. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,900 to 23,800, while immediate range is in between 23,100 to 23,500. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were buyers worth 6,066 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 1,952 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 28%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold about 23,200 for an up move towards 23,650, while supports have shifted higher to 23,200. Bank Nifty has to hold above 52,000 for the next up move towards 53,000 marks, while support can be seen at 51,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Indigo, Indian Hotel, LIC Housing Finance, RBL Bank, GAIL, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, and SBI Card, while some weakness could continue in PNB, Voltas, Colpal, TCS, and Zydus Life. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.